Hello, welcome to my next video. In this video tutorial, we are going to study about the data types in Java. In most of programming language, the data types are mostly used. So let's start. What type of data types are used in Java, and what is the definition of the Java data types? Then data types specify the different size and values that can be stored in the variables. Data types are nothing but these are the mainly specific of variables size and value. Data type stores the different type of size and value of the variables that are the known as the data types. Data types is specified different size and values that can be stored in the variables. Uh, in Java programs there are some type of variables, and all those variables are some type of point numbers or any type of the characters and or text messages, and these are the variables and they have the some specific value. The specific values and size are defined by the data types that are known as the data types in Java. Further we will study about the data types. Then there are mainly two types of data types. First one is primarily, that is also known as the primitive data types, and second one is a user defined data types, and this is also known as the non primitive non primitive data type. There are the further two types of the primary data types. First one is numeric, and second one is a non numeric. Numeric and non-numeric. In numeric data types, there are some type of numerical numbers, and non-numeric there are some type of characters. Or you can say that the any type of text messages, or just like a carry values and the booleans, etc. That are the known as the non numeric values. And first, I will discuss about the numeric values. What are the numeric values in Java data types? So first one is integers and decimals. There are integers in numeric. There are also subparts, integer, and decimal. Integer. And there is the four type of the integeric forms. First one is byte. First one is byte, which is the size of 1 byte. Sorts, which is the size of 2 byte. And integer values, the size of it is a 4 bytes, and there is a from others, that is known as the long, and its size is the 8 bytes. Okay, I am discussing again. uh, Data types mainly are two types: primary and user defined. Primary also divided into two parts: numeric and non-numeric. Numeric has also two parts: integer and decimal. First one is a byte. And in integer there are four types: a byte, which is the size of 1 bit, one byte, and shorts 2 bytes, integer 4 byte, and long 8 byte. Okay, and next one is decimal. Decimal is a float 4 byte, double 8 byte. In decimal there are two types: floats, which size of 4 byte, and double, which is size of 8 byte. Okay, this is the parts of the numeric, integer, decimal. Next one is a non-numeric. Non-numeric correct char value, yeah, which size is 2 byte, and boolean, which size of 1 bit. I am specifying that boolean size of 1 bit and char value is 2 byte. Okay, this is the main type of the primitive or primary data types. Okay, now we will discuss about the user defined, or known as non primitive data types. Okay, so let's start. If we discuss about the user defined data types, there are the mainly four types of data types. First one is a class, and the second one is interface, array, and string. We will further study about the interface, class, class, an array and a string. I have already discussed about the class. If you do not see my video, please go to the description box. Here I have dropped the description video link. Then check it and see the full video of the class. Class is nothing but these are the methods and variables collections. These are the method and variable collection is known as class. Okay. Interface is same as the class, but it has the method of abstract. It has the method of abstract. Okay. For class, interface, array and string. In this video we have discussed about the fully knowledge about the data types. If you have any type of doubt, then you can comment me and get your answer rapidly. Okay, thank you, bye.